Hey, what's going on? JD here, and I have a quick Zwift tip for you today. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe down below. That really helps these videos out. And today we're going to talk about Zwift's HoloReplays. Zwift's HoloReplay gives you the ability to ride against your past efforts. If enabled, when you begin any time segment, whether that's a sprint or a KOM or a route, a ghost of your past effort will show up for you to either race or pace against. So you can set this up by going into the menu system, selecting settings, and then scrolling down to the bottom where you will see the HoloReplay visibility. In there, you can select from personal best, which is your 90-day personal best, not your all-time, most recent, both, or you can turn it off completely. Me, personally, I like to go with my 90-day personal best because it gives me something to improve on. However, using your last effort is a great way to pace yourself as well. If you're doing a zone 2 ride and doing multiple laps, it is a great way to keep yourself from going just that little bit too hard. So some things to note: you do not gain a draft from sitting on the wheel of your HoloReplay. It does not provide any draft effect. Also, if you are racing with a pace partner, you will gain the draft effect from there, and on subsequent laps, if you are not with that pace partner, you may actually struggle to meet your times if it's on the upper end of your power. For that reason, the TT bike is a great bike to use with a HoloReplay. Why? Because in-game, you don't gain the advantage of the draft. So really, you are just racing against yourself, and you will see if you are improving or not. There is also handy information in the Zwifters nearby. You can see exactly how much power you were laying down during your fastest lap. So you can see if they're pulling away or if they are in fact catching up. If they get too far away, you can see the little beacon in the sky. But you will always have exactly how far ahead in time and how far behind they are time in the Zwifters nearby, so you can keep an eye on things. At the end of the day, it is a great tool, and I tell you, there is nothing more satisfying than seeing that new PR pop up on your screen. Gives you that sense of accomplishment and helps keep you motivated training. As always, remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notifications, and until next time, see ya.